Today, we're pitting the sleek Dell Pro Max 16 Premium against the beastly Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 to see which wins in 2026. Watch till the end before you buy. I'll reveal the ultimate winner. I've dropped links for the best deals in the description below. If you enjoy this, please like the video. It helps me out a ton. When you put the Dell Pro Max 16 Premium next to the Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2, you're looking at two very different versions of what a pro machine should be. The Dell feels like the sleek, modern professional that spent some time at the gym to stay lean but strong. Its all-metal chassis is remarkably rigid with zero flex, yet it manages to stay under 5 pounds. It's refined, understated, and looks perfectly at home in a high-end boardroom or a creative studio. Meanwhile, the ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 is the unapologetic powerhouse that doesn't care about your slim briefcase. It's a 6.5-pound industrial beast built from magnesium and aluminum, designed to be a portable desktop replacement rather than a travel buddy. Where the Dell focuses on a minimized footprint and smooth edges, the Lenovo doubles down on a thick, matte black, no-nonsense aesthetic that feels like it could survive a decade of hard labor on a job site. This contrast carries over into how they handle connectivity and daily utility. Dell has taken an aggressive leap into the future by embracing Thunderbolt 5 and completely axing USB-A. It's a clean, forward-looking setup that's great for high-bandwidth setups, though the lack of legacy support means you'll likely be living that dongle life for older peripherals. In contrast, Lenovo refuses to make you compromise on your existing gear, packing in 2 USB-A ports and even a dedicated Ethernet jack. It's a dream for anyone who hates carrying adapters, but it comes with a catch. Unlike the Dell, which can be juiced up via any of its USB-C ports, the ThinkPad still tethers you to a bulky proprietary power brick. This makes the Dell feel like a more agile, versatile machine for someone who moves between offices, while the Lenovo remains firmly planted as a stationary workhorse that values immediate plug-and-play connectivity over portability. When looking at the visual real estate provided by these two giants, it becomes clear that Dell and Lenovo have taken very different paths toward achieving professional-grade immersion. The Dell Pro Max 16 Premium is a showcase for the cutting edge, particularly if you opt for the Tandem OLED configuration. This isn't just your standard organic light-emitting diode panel. The Tandem structure stacks 2 layers of light-emitting pixels to push brightness levels and longevity beyond what traditional OLEDs can manage. With a 3840 by 2400 resolution and a 120 Hz variable refresh rate, the Dell produces blacks that are perfectly deep and colors that pop with a 100% DCI P3 color gamut, making it a dream for colorists and video editors who need to trust that what they see on screen is what they'll get in the final render. Meanwhile, the Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 leans into a more traditional but highly effective workstation aesthetic. While it also offers a gorgeous 4K OLED touch option, its base 2.5K IPS panel is arguably more versatile for those who spend hours looking at white background spreadsheets or CAD drawings. By pushing a 165 Hz refresh rate on its high-end IPS option, Lenovo ensures that even the simplest UI animations and mouse movements feel buttery smooth, reducing eye strain during long shifts. While Dell focuses on the wow factor of its tandem tech, Lenovo prioritizes high-brightness utility and high-speed fluidity that arguably serves a broader range of engineering tasks. In the era of the permanent remote hybrid schedule, the webcam has evolved from a secondary feature to a critical professional tool, and here the Dell Pro Max 16 Premium pulls ahead significantly. It sports a high-resolution 8-megapixel IR camera that captures an incredible amount of detail, effectively treating your face like a subject in a portrait rather than a grain-heavy thumbnail. This sensor does an admirable job of balancing exposure in rooms with harsh window light and maintains clarity in the dimly lit environments often found in home offices. It also integrates seamlessly with Windows Hello for facial recognition that feels near instant. The Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2, by contrast, sticks to a more utilitarian approach. Its webcam is perfectly functional for internal team huddles, but it lacks the sharpness and dynamic range seen in Dell's high megapixel offering. However, Lenovo usually wins points from the more privacy-conscious crowd by offering a physical shutter, a simple mechanical slide that guarantees total privacy, whereas Dell's omission of a physical or electronic shutter feels like a strange oversight for a device branded as an enterprise-grade premium workstation. The tactile experience of these two machines is perhaps where the brand loyalties are most fiercely contested. Lenovo's ThinkPad keyboard remains the gold standard of the industry, and the P16 Gen 2 doesn't disappoint. It offers deep key travel and a firm tactile click that makes typing feel like playing a finely tuned instrument. For those dealing with heavy data entry, the inclusion of a full-size numeric keypad is a game changer that the Dell lacks entirely. However, that numpad does shift the entire QWERTY layout slightly to the left, which can lead to a slightly asymmetrical posture that takes getting used to. Dell, on the other hand, is pushing a futuristic zero-lattice design. By removing the gaps between the keys, Dell has managed to fit larger keycaps into a more compact space, but it essentially asks your muscle memory to relearn the geography of the board. It feels soft, cushioned, and remarkably stable, but it can be prone to more typos during the initial transition period. When it comes to the touchpad, Dell's large haptic surface is a masterclass in modern engineering, providing a consistent click feel across the entire surface through vibration motors. Lenovo stays traditional with a mechanical pad and the iconic red trackpoint nub, catering to those who prefer physical buttons and the ability to keep their hands centered on the home row. Finally, the divergent philosophies regarding power and endurance reveal who these laptops are truly built for. The Dell Pro Max 16 Premium manages to be surprisingly frugal for a 16-inch workstation, squeezing out over 10 hours of life on its 96 watt-hour battery during standard office workloads. This makes it a legitimate option for a professional who needs to spend a full day jumping between conference rooms or working from a plane without hunting for an outlet. Because it can charge via any of its USB-C ports, it fits into a modern, flexible ecosystem where one cable can power your phone, your tablet, and your workstation. The Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 is a far hungrier beast. It is built to prioritize raw, sustained performance over longevity, and as a result, its battery life is significantly more modest. Under light use, you might get through a morning, but as soon as the discrete GPU or the high-wattage HX processor kicks into gear, that battery will drain in a matter of a few hours. Furthermore, the Lenovo's reliance on a heavy proprietary charging brick means you can't just borrow a standard USB-C charger to get back to full speed. It treats the battery as a temporary backup for moving between desks, while the Dell treats its battery as a primary feature for mobile professionals. When you look at the engines driving these two machines, the difference in philosophy becomes clear through the choice of silicon. The Dell Pro Max 16 Premium utilizes Intel's Core Ultra 2 H-class processors, which represent a modern approach to high-end computing by focusing on a balance of performance per watt. In real-world use, this means the Dell is incredibly snappy and efficient. It handles heavy multitasking and CPU-intensive tasks like file compression or AI inference with a refined composure. Because the chassis is built to be relatively slim, the Dell doesn't try to break world records in raw wattage, but it delivers very high sustained performance that actually beats out many smaller laptops with nominally faster chips. It's the kind of processor setup that feels fast in every interaction without demanding a constant tether to a wall outlet or making the fans spin at maximum velocity during a simple software install. The Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2, however, takes a more is more approach by opting for Intel's HX series processors. These are essentially desktop-class chips that have been modified to fit inside a laptop, and they operate at much higher power limits than the Dell's H series. This makes the ThinkPad a literal beast for pure computational heavy lifting. If your workday involves compiling massive software projects, running complex fluid dynamics simulations, or processing huge data sets, the Lenovo's HX architecture will simply outmuscle the Dell. It's designed for the user who values every second saved during a long calculation and is willing to accept the heat and power draw that comes with that level of raw throughput. This divide in processing power translates directly into how these laptops handle professional editing and creative workloads. The Dell Pro Max 16 Premium is a highly capable mobile studio, especially when configured with the RTX Pro 3000 Blackwell series graphics. It is perfectly suited for 4K video editing in Premiere Pro, smooth timeline scrubbing in DaVinci Resolve, and serious CAD work in SolidWorks. It's the ideal machine for a creative director or an engineer who needs a reliable workstation that can actually be carried to a client meeting or a remote shoot. While the Dell is powerful, the Lenovo P16 Gen 2 is built for the extreme end of the creative spectrum. With support for up to the RTX 5000 Ada GPU and a staggering 192GB of RAM, the ThinkPad can handle massive 3D renders and VFX sequences that would likely bottleneck the Dell. For high-end 3D animation or architectural visualization where the project files are too large for standard professional machines, the Lenovo functions as a portable anchor that rarely hits a ceiling. Gaming on these workstations is a secondary but revealing comparison. The Dell Pro Max 16 Premium offers a respectable gaming experience, capable of running modern AAA titles at moderate to high settings, though its RTX Pro drivers are optimized for stability rather than raw frame rates. It stays relatively quiet during a session, making it a decent after-hours machine for the professional traveler. The Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2, on the other hand, can behave like a top-tier gaming rig purely because of the massive power it can pump into its GPU. When combined with its 165Hz high refresh display, the gaming experience on the ThinkPad is noticeably smoother and more immersive than on the Dell. However, the experience is loud. The Lenovo's fans work overtime to keep those desktop-class components cool, and you'll definitely feel the heat radiating from the chassis in a way you don't with the Dell. So, which one takes the crown? If you need a true workstation that actually travels, the Dell Pro Max 16 Premium is the winner. It balances elite power with incredible battery life and a stunning display. However, if you're doing heavy 3D rendering and never leave your desk, grab the Lenovo. For everyone else, Dell is the 2026 champion.